the Ocelot T Pro Golf Cart Tire, the ultimate choice for golf cart owners who want comfort, style, and dependable performance both on and off the course. Built with a durable 4-ply construction, the T Pro delivers a smooth, quiet ride that's ideal for golf courses, neighborhoods, and everywhere in between. This golf cart tire features a street-style tread with a non-directional pattern, making installation simple and allowing for easy tire rotation. The non-directional tread also means you get predictable and steady handling. The T Pro has a 7mm tread depth. The ample tread design ensures longevity, so you'll enjoy consistent performance drive after drive. From shoulder to shoulder, the tread is designed with deep siping to channel water away, giving you reliable traction on wet surfaces. Combined with its smooth, rolling design, you'll get excellent power efficiency, quiet operation, and dependable handling. Choose the size that fits your needs. The 10-inch T Pro offers a stock, OEM-style look with its larger sidewall, while the 12-inch version gives your cart a custom look with its low-profile sidewall. Both options provide low impact and high performance, so you can move seamlessly from the fairway to the road. The Ocelot T Pro Golf Cart Tire. Smooth, quiet, durable, and ready for the course or the street. Thanks for watching and drive safe.